new message.
Yeah, if you want to say swag is, fucking everything that walks, swag is not fucking everything that walks. Swag ain't gonna get you no fucking job. Swag ain't gonna get you nothing. Okay, fucking everything that walks is gonna get you fucking 10 kids and fucking 10 different child support bills. And swag ain't gonna get you no fucking job. So how the hell are you supposed to fucking pay 10 child support bills? Okay, 10 different kids, 10 different child support shit. That's bullshit, okay? You're bullshit. That is not swag, okay? Straighten up, nigga, because that's stupid as fuck. You is dumb. You is so dumb. You're pathetic because you know I was going to call you and bitch at you because I'm not going to type all this shit. So, you know what? You don't want to answer, I'll leave you a fucking voicemail. You a stupid ass nigga, dude.